Chapter 3 Windows 10 Operating System. In the chapter Windows 10, Parts of Windows 10 Screen, Searching for Files and Apps, Starting Windows 10, Opening a Program, Shutting down the computer. An operating system, OS, is a system software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs. There are many OS in the market, but MS Windows is commonly used everywhere. Browser. William Bill H. Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation. Let us learn what makes it so popular. Windows. Windows is the most popular operating system that is used nowadays. It is a special program that controls the working of a computer. There are different versions of Windows like Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Following are the Windows key benefits and features. Read them carefully. Controls the storage of data, images, files, music, etc. Controls what access to a computer different users have and the computer's security. Deals with errors and user instructions and issues simple error messages. Allows the user to interact with the computer through the keyboard, mouse, microphone, etc. Controls the hardware attached to the computer such as webcams, scanners, and printers. Helps to open and close windows, word processors, games, photo editors, etc. and gives them part of the computer's memory to allow them to work. Best features of Windows 7 and Windows 8 are included in Windows 10. Browser. Microsoft released the first version of Windows in the mid-1980s. Windows 10. Windows 10 is the major version of the Microsoft Windows operating system. It was released on July 29, 2015. It is a GUI graphical user interface based operating system. In this system, commands can be given through the images, pictures, icons, and menus. The commands are performed with the help of a mouse instead of using a keyboard. Starting Windows 10. Windows 10 starts automatically after turning on the computer. It can ask for a password after turning on. Type the password and press the Enter key. When we press the Enter key, the first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called Desktop. Your system is ready to work. Parts of Windows 10 screen. Windows 10 has many parts for different purposes. Let us know about them. Icons, Start menu, Desktop screen, Search box, Taskbar, Notification area. Desktop screen. It appears after switching on the computer. It shows all the programs and documents. Icons. An icon is a small graphical representation of a program or file. It represents a program or different features. You can open any program by double-clicking the icon. Taskbar. It is a bar used to launch any program with a single click of the mouse. Moving the taskbar. The taskbar can be moved to any of the four sides of the desktop. To move the taskbar, take the following steps. Place the pointer on the blank area on the taskbar. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the taskbar to any side of the desktop. Now release the mouse button. Locking the taskbar. You can lock the taskbar. That means it will not move to any place until you unlock it. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar. Click on the Lock the Taskbar option in the shortcut menu. You will notice that the taskbar will not move from its location. Notification area. The notification area is located at the right end of the taskbar and it contains app icons that provide status and notifications about things like incoming mail, updates, and network's connectivity. Time and date. It shows the current time and date. You can also change the time and date. Start button. It is located at the bottom left corner of the desktop. It is used to open the Start menu. The Start menu can also be opened by pressing Windows key on the keyboard. Left part, right part. The Start menu is a feature of the Windows operating system that provides quick access to programs, folders, and system settings. Start menu. Start menu has two parts, that is, left part and right part. Left part shows all the installed apps like Power Settings, File Explorer, and Users icon. The right part contains the tiles and live tiles that can be customized, resized, and reorganized. Search box. This box is used to search for items on your computer. It appears when you click on the Start button. Tiles and live tiles. A colorful rectangle that represents an app or a Windows feature is called tiles. Some tiles are live tiles. They display frequently updated information such as the current weather. Opening a program. All programs in Windows operating system are the list of applications which are pre-installed as default within the Windows, and the application which have been added by a user is also listed. There are mainly two ways to open the program in Windows 10. Click the icon which you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open. Or double-click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Browser. When a computer is switched on, Windows take a few seconds to load an operating system. This process of loading the OS is called booting. Searching for files and apps. To search for something on your computer, like a specific file or application, click the Start button, then start typing in the search bar. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key on the keyboard to begin a search. In the example here, we are searching for a presentation file. Shutting down the computer. When you are done using your computer, it's important to shut it down properly. To do this, click the Start button, then choose Power, and then Shut down. Review. Windows is the most popular operating system. Microsoft released the first version of Windows in the mid-1980s. Windows 10 starts automatically after turning on the computer. Taskbar is used to launch any program with a single click. A.